If you've ever wanted to turn boring data into eye-catching visuals, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to make charts on Canva the fast and easy way so you can create professional reports, presentations, or infographics in just a few minutes. Canva has become a go-to design tool in 2025, not just for designers, but for anyone who wants stunning visuals without complicated software. And the best part, you can make fully customizable charts right inside Canva. No extra tools needed. Let's jump right in. Once you're logged into your Canva account, open a new design or pick a template that fits your project. Maybe a presentation slide or a social media post. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu with options like text, photos, and elements. Click on Elements. This is where Canva hides all its creative magic. In the search bar at the top, type Chart. You'll instantly see a variety of chart styles: bar charts, pie charts, line graphs, and even more advanced visuals like scatter plots. Browse through the options and choose the one that best fits your data story. Once you've picked a chart, click and drag it right onto your canvas. You can resize it, reposition it, or even layer it with other design elements to match your layout. Now, let's add your data. Click on the chart and a toolbar will appear at the top of your screen. Select Edit Data. This opens a small spreadsheet inside Canva. Here, you can either type your numbers manually or paste data from another document. As you input your values, watch the chart update in real time. It's super satisfying. You can also adjust labels, titles, and legends so your data makes sense at a glance. Once the data's set, it's time to style it. Canva gives you full control over colors, fonts, and chart design. You can match your brand palette, use gradients, or tweak the layout to make your chart pop. Small details like consistent colors and clean fonts make your visuals look polished and professional. And that's it. You've just created a beautiful, data-driven chart in Canva. Whether you're making a business presentation, a school report, or a social media post, this feature can take your content from plain to powerful. If you found this helpful, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more quick Canva tutorials. Keep experimenting with different chart styles and layouts, because once you get creative, your data can tell some pretty amazing stories.